Okay guys, this is the day, the maiden. I only finished it about 5 days ago, so here we are. It's coincided with an aerotow morning, so yeah, so the conditions aren't too bad. About 10 mile an hour due forecast, and I should be landing downhill, my favourite. Slightly nervous of course, but once it's airborne I'll have to go professional and concentrate. Funnily enough, I had a dream last night. I'd forgotten the cockpit, and I nearly came out without the wing joiners, which was quite funny. Still, we'll see how we get on. Right then guys, this is it, the moment of the truth. Left, right, up, down, right, left. Right, brakes shut, everything's working.
I'm just going to turn the line up.
Okay, that's my switch. Okay.
Right, tug taking off.
That's good. Right, I'm going to try a loop, see if the wings stay on. Right, punch it forward, and around we go. Ooh, ooh, yes. I'll probably come on round actually.
Yeah, good idea.
Touch your nerves. So I'm not sure how the air brakes are going to react, so we'll see. Right, I'm going to start bringing the brakes out. Brakes are fully out. That'll do, that'll do. Come in fast, but yeah, I hate landing downhill. Anyway, do the walk. Well, there we go guys. That was the maiden. She came in fast, and having a wheel, of course, it's going to roll on, but this always stops it well. That's alright. Let's just unclip, put that in, and there we go, sorted. Whew. But she flies, and she's down in one piece. She flew pretty fast actually. I'm surprised. I might be able to take a bit of lead out the nose as well. So thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed that, make sure you hit the fun button, because it's taken me ages to do it. So and subscribe if you're not. Cheers guys.
Tug taking off.
feet, 454 feet, 627 feet, 787 feet,
Okay. Coming off.
938 feet,
Are you off?
Off now.
997 feet.
Lovely job.
Thank you.
954 feet.
Resting time though for me. That feet are going.
914 feet.
It's bloody gusting up then when you in your toe.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah.
God, man. Cold enough to see your breath, it's awful.
Right, tug landing. Aerobatic. Coming across today.
I haven't had the pleasure of a vario since I was.
Second?
I haven't had a pleasure of a vario since I was paragliding,
No.
and that's not a good sound.
Oh, is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Didn't realise you had that on it.
I can switch it to,
So that's a new addition as just for this plane you made?
yeah, so I can switch it to readout for,
660 feet.
Oh, I see, yeah.
but I'll stick it on the vario. Oops, did that stall again? When it drops a wing, it's vicious.
It's very quick when it drops the wing.
Yeah, height is safety, isn't it?
I've heard about tip stalls, I've never seen one before, actually,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Should I take a bit more than the other? Yeah. Oh, close set. I'm down to 20% now.
Yeah, when it gets low, I don't like hunting about. If it gets low, that's it, I'm coming in.
Oh, don't blame me, sorry, I wasn't going to talk, I was listening
Yeah.
to your vario.
I'm probably coming in now, Dave. Is there anyone walking around, Bob?
No, no, clear everywhere. Clear everywhere.
Feet.
Landing.
174 feet. 148 feet. 126 feet.
Bring the brakes out now.
86 feet. 49.1 feet. 20.2 feet.
Oh,
Beautifully done.
yeah, not really. It stalled on landing, I think.
4 feet.
It landed a little bit hard there. So, let's just straighten things up a bit. Look, now you can see the Velcro on his hat on his head. That was a shame because it was, I think I slowed it down just too much. I should have popped the brakes back in.
Yeah.
Oh, I've damaged it. I've cracked all the back of the fuselage. Oh, it's repairable anyway. Oh, there's a bit of yellow there missing. Can you see it?
I'll check it out, I'll have a look.
Oh, well.